Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted comments on TikTok. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to our Instagram application. Then make sure to log in to your account. Here we are just going to my profile so I can go to any post and start commenting and delete and recover our deleted comments. Here I'm going to add comment, and basically it's posting. Here we can just like delete our comment by clicking on it and click on delete. And basically, in most cases, you will have a button like the undo button on the comments. So here we are just going to add another one, comment to recover. And basically, we are just going to delete this one, this comment. So I'm just going to hold click and let's go back to our post. This is the comment. I'm just going to delete, and basically we will have this undo button. We click on undo and we will be able to recover our deleted count. And for the iOS users, we will find this undo button at the top in red. You will have it here on the top of the comment section, and you will need just to click on undo as we did. So here another one. We delete it, we click on undo, and you will have your comment that will be recovered. And make sure to not wait for too long because you have only several seconds to undo the comment or to recover deleted comment. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.